What's up, squad? It's Trey. Welcome to the Daddy C channel. Appreciate you stopping in today. If you've been here before, thanks for rocking out, vibing with us. And if it's your first time here, do me a quick favor. Hit that notification bell down below so you can stay on top of the content as we drop it. And today, we're just going to get right into a shoe that I'm glad, I just missed it right when the sneakers drop happened. And, some raffles, a couple raffles that were out there, but was able to circle back in my one good buddy. And it's the power of the network. Good buddy found them locally at a local skate shop. Shout out to my guy, Be More Sneakers. And shout out to View Skate Shop in Baltimore. They have pairs in store. And I'm talking about a shoe that I really was excited to get. And it is, you see me doing today, Nike SB. This is the Nike SB Deep Royal Blue and Vintage Green. This guy. Dope, dope, dope Nike SB. And I'm gonna just say, just kind of right off the rip, right now, sneakers is in a transitional time period, right? Sneakers right now sneakers are, things aren't selling out like crazy. It's a beautiful thing, beautiful day. I had some buddies that said, it's like sneakers are getting back to normal, the way they were prior to like 2019, 2020. When the craze and the hype took over. So right now, if you're looking to build a collection, pick up pairs, it's like, strike now while the iron's hot, because it's not gonna stay this way forever, right? Sneakers is like a cyclical. And, people saying Jordans are dead, sneakers are dead. There's laws, there's trends, there's things that happen in the landscape, but things like Jordans, Dunks have been around for decades and decades. They don't just go away overnight. It's not like all of a sudden next year, 2 years from now, Jordan brands are gonna be like, we're shutting down shop because nobody's buying our Jordans anymore. It's still happening, and it's wild that I feel like, because things aren't reselling like crazy, people think sneakers are dead. And that's just resale culture, and it kind of drives me crazy. And it's not anti-reseller, do your thing, I ain't gonna knock your hustle, but telling everybody else that sneakers are dead because sneakers aren't reselling is crazy. I'm from the era of there was no resell. It was like, yo, 1 for 1. If I want to trade you kicks, I had this, you had that, let's trade. There was no street value, market value, like stock market or whatever. But I'm not going to talk about that being, sound like a real old head. But anyway, now's a good time. Stock up on kicks, pick up things you missed before, prices are lower, things are available when GRs, general releases are dropping. They're not selling right out. You can go in stores and Jordans are on shelves. Dunks are plentiful. I mean, maybe not the hype SBs, but your regular Dunks, a lot of regular SBs, court purples. I know the black and white with the gum sole. I mean, they're just like crazy plentiful, like as much as the Panda Dunk. And that's a Nike SB, and like, what is it, a year, 2 years ago, Nike SBs were untouchable. Like, if you didn't get them on drop day or a lucky raffle, it was a wrap because they were 300, 400, 500 plus. But right now, some things are dropping, and this is one of them. This is not a collab, it's not anything super hype, but just a super duper, super dope quality shoe. Nike SB, Deep Royal Blue, Vintage Green. People say, some have said, like a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I think it looks like the Dallas Mavericks colors. Some have said Seattle Seahawks. But in any event, super nice suede, like a nice length to this suede. It's, it's hairy. It's not like a low cut suede. The colors are just dope. This deep royal blue around your toe strap, the midfoot, around your lace, eye stay area, and then this back panel, and as well as a collar. I mean, come on, man. This is dope. And then you got the vintage green on the top of the toe box, the vamp of the shoe, the mid panels on both sides and around that back collar section. And then you got the sail really to kind of set it off, right? Give it some contrast to the blue and the green. So you got this sail swoosh in this suede as well. Nice swoosh. You got the sail Nike on the back. And then they gave us a sail midsole, which is dope, instead of, like a bright white. So the sail midsole just is really clean. You get blue laces, and I've seen, and heard people talking about putting sail laces in these, and I've seen pictures. That's definitely the way I'm going. I don't have any extra sail SB laces right now. I do have some white ones, but I don't want to put bright white in these. I'm definitely gonna order up some sale or check some of my other shoes. I know I got a bunch around with some sale laces somewhere. We got the Nike SB foam, that exposed foam in the middle like you used to, and your SB Dunk outsole. And yeah, just the overall dope shoe. You got everything else is suede, but you got the vinyl tongue all the way up, the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro on the tag, your basic tag on the inside, and this is a vinyl with the blue piping around the outside. Not super extra thick padding, but it's definitely more padded than your regular Dunks. And then your insole. So the insole, actually, let's see. Insole is your standard Nike SB insole, where you get the memory foam as well as a zoom pouch, right? So green on your midsole, on your insole, memory foam on the front, zoom pouch on the back, and yeah, just basic. Your Air Zoom Nike SB situation here. You're getting that low to the ground feel in the forefront of the shoe. Of course, this is for skateboarding. I don't skate, but I love the shoes. But yeah, you got that. You got the cushion in the back of the shoe, and yeah, it's really it. I mean, you do get some green laces as well. So they give you that if you want to, switch it up. Instead of the blue, you get the same green to match those green panels. But again, I think sale on these is the way to go. I mean, will I change them before I wear them? Maybe not. I mean, I'll probably wear them maybe with the blue for a little bit and then change them up. But dope shoe, just came out. This was a fairly recent release. I know secondary on these right now, is not reselling for much. So you can get these close to retail, if not at retail. But yeah, just the overall dope shoe, Nike SB. Not a hype collab or anything, but so nice. It's kind of wow, like more people weren't after this shoe than were. But I know at least when the sneakers app drop happened, it was an L for me. So I wasn't super happy about that. Yeah, where do y'all rank it? What's your, I'm out of 10. I think this might be like a 8.5, 9. I mean, it's well executed, high quality. You could throw some type of backstory and a collab on this. This would have been a super hype shoe. Nike SB, I swear, I feel like this is where the creative center is for Nike right now. I know Jordan Brand, they're changing up and doing some things. You got reimagined. That's probably about as much creativity as we've seen besides retros. But Nike SB, I don't know, they really, think about the simplicity of the shoe. The panels are the panels, but they're able to just with every release, just change up some minor details, and it's a completely different shoe. So I think that's really where the creative genius is happening in Nike right now. I'm looking forward to the Futura at Nike SB and the Lisa Real, or is it the Raisa Leal? Yeah, one of them. I gotta go back to the shoe. But I do love that, the young skater. She rides for April Skateboards and things, so I know her story, but I'm tripping off the name right now. But for myself, for my own collection, so I got, another blue-based Nike SB, and, talking to a friend of mine, I was like, man, I have so many blue Nike SBs, what's the deal with that? I don't have some of these other ones that are, the different base color, but we're talking about blue SBs. We got Fly Streetwear, we got the Dodgers SBs, right? They came out with the baseball pack. We got these guys, the Bubbles, Powerpuff Girls, and then let's see what else. We got some Why So Sad, and I've got some regular blue Dunks, I got Jackie Robinson Dunks. I've got the Georgetown Dunks. So it's blue. I guess the blue is my favorite color. So maybe that's why I just tend to gravitate to the blue, and a lot of my W's have just been on blue-based Dunks. I don't know. But anyway, did y'all cop a pair of these? Are you picking up a pair? Circling back for one? Let me know. Hit me in the comments. Love to hear your thoughts on the shoe. Where do you rank it? Is it on your list for this year? And are you looking forward to some of those other SBs? All right, that's all I got for today, y'all. See you on the next one. Peace.